All right, everyone, welcome to Retrograde. This week is all about kind of taking a look at what is not working in our lives and maybe figuring out a way to make it work better or just finding realignment in your life. Okay, so this session, we're going to be covering a few different topics as usual for the collective. The first thing that's coming up is we're going to be balancing reactiveness. We're going to be balancing some memories and some beliefs. We're also going to be balancing the ability to cultivate trust in relationships. We're also going to be focusing on vitality and some other real fun stuff that we'll talk about as we dive deeper in. But welcome. So glad you're here. It's going to be a good session. Just start to connect with your breath. And let me just walk you through a quick meditation to connect you to your body. So start to connect to your breath. Big breath in.